How's it going? Welcome to another video. I'm out camping with my brother, my cousin, and his wife. They're from the city. Yeah, so I'm camping with some people from the city. We're gonna shoot some guns, we're gonna eat some food, we're gonna blast the tunes, so stick around and enjoy. Let's try and make as much fine powder as possible. That should be enough,
That's
yeah.
all good.
Oh yeah, for sure.
Yeah, that's nice.
Alright. Okay, so remember what I told you is you put it down on an angle.
Like this?
Yeah, put it all the way onto there. Like press it right up against it. Yeah,
okay.
yeah. And then let her rip. There you go. Now throw that other stuff right on top of it. Keep it going, mate. If we don't have a fire, we don't eat.
Second strike.
Yeah, good job, buddy.
Thanks, dude.
And then your
Thanks for the instruction.
Your fuel is over there to your right. All those sticks there.
Thank you.
So toss them on. Good to go. Good job, dude.
Thanks, dude.
Killer.
I appreciate the instruction. That's all I need, man.
Yeah. No, we're eating.
Show me. Teach me.
We're eating tonight. Well, I've never slept in a screened-in tent before, but Mr. Professional Outdoorsman, I forgot my tent. So I was gonna put up my hammock and try and hammock tent, but I can't sleep in a hammock. Yeah, Kyle and Liz had their bug net, and so yeah, we put that up. Got rap music in the background for my metal YouTube channel. It's all good. Clear. Clear. Woohoo! Yeah, you did it. Nice job. Oh,
And he got it.
There you go. Awesome. Chris, do it up. Oh, wow. That's pretty cool. Nice. You hit it, but you didn't smoke it. There you go. Bless you, my friend.
I'm trying not to put my my face like.
Oh, well, you kind of have
but I
to.
kinda have
Yeah. So Kyle decided to bring a homemade shower system. So let's go check that out.
Yeah. Okay. Like.
Yeah, I'll stabilize it. Now, don't go too high because we need to fill it with water.
Yeah.
But let's see if it works together. And we're going to fill it about halfway because otherwise it can be way too heavy.
Yahoo!
Let's do that. Yeah.
Yep. Thing is, where's it?
Okay.
Oh.
Yeah, there we go. And then rope her around the tree. As you can see, this is an easy one-man operation.
This is all improv. Toss me.
Yeah, almost here.
You don't even need to like completely wrap it.
Yeah.
Oh, look, I'm gonna put this on a little cardboard here. You guys,
Turn around. Turn around. Holy crap! Wow, it looks like you got paintballed.
No, it's fine now.
I feel like
This is all from before.
Oh, you're itchy from the bite.
No, all those bites are from before. Oh no, right now it's actually pretty good. Okay. I'm just, I'm scrubbing and hamming it.
Oh, that's fancy. Does look like a UFO though.
Yeah, want to put the net back on your thing?
What will that do?
Keeps it from biting your face. The radar is fine.
Oh yeah, dude.
You'll have a good night because you can't see the fucking wire.
What's it? Here's the cooler. There it is. Hold on, cooler.
Welcome to the woods, boys and girls.
No, like all these fireflies.
Oh, the fireflies are dope, yeah. But I'm looking at this mosquito here, and you can't come in. I'm feeling pretty content in here. Okay, everyone else is eating a feast. I'm not quite hungry, so I'm just gonna have a chunk of steak. in my bug cage. I feel right at home, folks. And I'm cheating a little bit, folks. I actually got myself a little battery-operated fan with a battery bank. That's why I don't normally camp in the summertime, because heat and bugs. Other than that, having a blast. I look like Smeagol in my video. So be it.
So big.
That's honestly the best steak I've had in quite a long time. So we went from scorching hot heat to a monsoon, which is fine by me, man. How you guys doing? Fine? Perfect. Gonna crack some beers. My brother brought a Peameal roast. It is in there, smoking as we speak. And yeah, that's where that's where I'm gonna be sleeping, folks, if it keeps raining, under my tarp. Life is good. Life is good as always. Yep, all my stuff got wet. Hung it up to dry. A little bit of sun that's left. I want to get this stuff dry. But I don't mind. It's actually kind of funny. It started raining and I'm like, oh, I'm fine. I put my tarp over my stuff and still got a soaker. But that's the name of the game.
So much tinfoil, but
That's fine.
oh yeah, there it is.
Mmm.
Fantastic. It sounds like Fury of the Storm.
Oh. Yep. This is really good, guys.
Oh yeah, no, it made it.
What'd you do to it?
Taste it.
Huh?
What'd you do to it?
Just salt and pepper.
Salt and pepper rub from this, whatever it is. The
Oh, whatever you did to it, it works.
oh my God.
Come on, Vlad the Impaler. You got that.
This is way better than the steaks last night.
Alrighty, all my stuff is drying next to the fire. I made a tripod out of wood there, made a tripod out of wood there, connected it with some paracord, hung my stuff up. These are on a rotation to dry off all the sides. There's my sleeping mat, my bag. We're good to go, folks. Alright, everybody, it's time to go to sleep. A long day. We'll see you in the morning.